Agent Workspace Chat lets agents have live conversations with customers and employees. From a chat, agents can respond to questions, create incident or case records, or transfer chats to other agents or service queues. For example, when an employee asks for a new desk phone, the agent can create a request to submit the order. To increase agent productivity and provide a seamless experience, response templates can be used. And if needed, the chat can be transferred to another agent based on their availability, capacity, and skills. After a chat is complete, it can be tracked through interactions that contain the details of a conversation, including a full transcript. In the next video, we'll show you how to set up Agent Chat on your instance. For more information, see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.